So this is the US oil analysis for Wednesday, the 4th of July. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where price may like to go. So we've seen price come towards this $75 barrel mark, trace right through the $75 barrel, from which we have seen the sell side momentum come back into the market. Pretty strong sell side momentum from that $75 barrel mark, possibly some profit taking in around there. See that quite a few people were looking at the $75 barrel mark, from which we have seen that sell side momentum. As we can see, massive spike in volume from that $75 barrel mark. We've seen that sell side momentum come all the way down towards the 72.88 level previously identified. From it around at 72.88, we have seen that bullish buy side momentum return to the market from that 72.88, taking us all the way up almost back for another retest of that 75. Okay, moving a couple of cents or so of the $75 barrel mark before we did see these increasingly smaller candles, suggesting that there was a deceleration in momentum. And what we have seen is these larger bearish candles, which suggest there was an increase in sell side pressure. And what we have seen is that sell side pressure taking us all the way down towards 73.56 at present. So if we do see this sell side momentum continue here to the downside, we'll look to see our price react towards that 73.31. A successful break from that 73.71, we're looking for a move down towards that 73.60, successful break from which 72.88, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, 72.39 may just come into focus here on the US oil. If however we do see that counter trend move, if we do find support in around at 73.31, we are looking for a move back up towards that $75 barrel mark. If we can't break and hold $75, the very next level of note here to the upside is a move up towards that 76.66 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices have been developing. So here on this daily chart of the US oil, we can see here we've had a move through the $75 barrel mark. We closed the day in a bit of a doji. We've had another pretty close towards another test of that $75, and again we've seen that sell side pressure return to the market. So we're around at 75. Do appear to have some sell side pressure in the market at present. So we are currently in a bit of a pullback. So we'll see whether that pullback takes us down towards that 72 here on the US oil. Whether we do form a bit of a flag and see a break and continuation here to the upside, or we will see a meaningful pullback beyond even the 72.88 and possibly take us down towards that 72.39 here on the US oil. But for now, overall, the trend is to the upside, clearly to the upside. After having such a sharp impulsive move, it is not unusual to expect retracement of some kind before seeing that relatively higher low posted and see continuation to the upside on the US oil. And with that said, that wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.